And Home Ministry sources tell Times Now that the Islamic State recruit who returned home, Arif Majid, was highly radicalized. He had undergone intense training. In fact, the Ministry of Home Affairs will now take a view on what action should be taken against him. Megha is with us on this story. Megha, the NIA has been interrogating him since morning, since the time he arrived back. And now we understand that he has been highly radicalized and undergone intense training.
Well, that's the information that's coming from the Ministry of Home Affairs in Delhi. As far as his interrogation or questioning by the three agencies, it's not only the NIA, it's the anti-terror squad of Maharashtra, ATS Maharashtra, of course, the NIA here in Mumbai, and of course the IB that has been conducting this operation jointly with the rest of the two agencies. In the questioning, what we have been told now through our sources is that they have come to understand that Arif, perhaps out of the four, was the most highly radicalized one, that he was the one who was responsible for, in fact, taking rest of the three with him. Now, we do not know the whereabouts of where these three other young boys from Thane are, whether they are still in Iraq or they're somewhere else, and whether they are still alive or not. There is absolutely no information on that one. But then what we understand is that over a period of time, Arif has turned into completely a radical ISIS operative, and that he got hit in an airstrike is the information that's coming, and that he was not keeping well. Perhaps one of the reasons behind, he contacted his family and expressed the desire to come back. And after that, we understand this was an operation conducted by the intelligence agencies to get him back from Turkey to India, and that's how perhaps he was escorted back in a Turkish airline today that landed in Mumbai, and then of course taken into custody. So right now, of course, the questioning is on. Mr. Ujjwal Nikam, the special public prosecutor, has also come in the ATS. We believe that he's here perhaps to give some legal advice to the ATS and the NIA as to how to go about charging him, or what sections to apply against him, so that he can be kept in custody for a few more days for questioning.
Megha, stay with us. We also spoke with the uncle of the youth who's returned, Arif Majid. Let's hear out what the uncle had to tell us.
सुबह से लेकर के कम से कम मेरे पास 50-100 मीडिया का फोन आया होगा। तो मीडिया के जरिए ही ये मालूम पड़ा है कि 5:15 की कोई फ्लाइट है जो सुबह आया, क्योंकि 2 दिन पहले एक ऐसी भी न्यूज़ आ गई थी कि बच्चा तुर्की चला गया है इराक से और तुर्की से आना चाहता है। तो ये सब क्लब अगर किया जाए तो कहीं ना कहीं लगता है, लेकिन फिर भी मैं 100% इसकी पुष्टि नहीं कर सकता हूँ, क्योंकि मेरी डॉक्टर साहब ने भी 100% पुष्टि नहीं किया है, नहीं कोई डिपार्टमेंट ने पुष्टि किया कि बच्चा आ गया है। लेकिन एक ऐसा अंदाज़ा है कि बच्चा आ गया और बड़ी खुशी की बात है।